Hi, and welcome to IELTS Intensive Preparation with World English Academy. I am your instructor, Sarah, and I wish you good luck. The International English Language Testing System is a globally recognized examination designed to assess the English language proficiency of non-native English speakers, accepted by educational institutions, employers, and immigration authorities in numerous countries. The test plays a crucial role in facilitating communication and mobility for individuals seeking to study, work, or migrate to English-speaking countries. This lesson provides a comprehensive overview of the exam, highlighting its structure, scoring system, and its different modules. Purpose of the exam: IELTS serves as a standardized assessment tool for individuals who want to pursue higher education or employment opportunities in countries where English is the primary language. The test measures an individual's ability to understand, communicate, read, and write in English within academic and general contexts. Exam format: the exam is divided into two versions, academic and general training. The academic module is intended for students who wish to pursue higher education abroad, while the general training module is suitable for individuals seeking employment or immigration purposes. Both versions consist of 4 sections: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Listening module: the listening module evaluates a candidate's ability to understand spoken English. It consists of 4 sections, featuring a variety of audio recordings, such as conversations, monologues, and lectures. Candidates are provided with headphones and a question booklet, and are required to answer a range of question types, including multiple choice, matching, and note completion. The recordings become progressively more challenging as the test progresses. Reading module: the reading module assesses a candidate's reading comprehension skills. It includes 3 sections with increasing difficulty levels. The texts are sourced from books, newspapers, magazines, and other authentic materials. Candidates are given a question booklet and must answer various question types, such as multiple choice, matching, true or false or not given, sentence completion, and summary completion. The texts in the academic module are more academically oriented, while those in the general training module are more focused on everyday topics. Writing module: the writing module evaluates a candidate's ability to express themselves in written English. It comprises 2 tasks in the academic module and 2 different tasks in the general training module. In the academic module, Task 1 requires candidates to describe, summarize, or explain visual data, such as graphs, charts, or diagrams. Task 2 involves writing an essay on a given topic, presenting arguments and providing examples to support their viewpoint. In the general training module, Task 1 involves writing a letter, either formal, semi-formal, or informal, based on a given situation. Task 2 requires writing an essay similar to the academic module. Speaking module: the speaking module assesses a candidate's ability to communicate verbally in English. It consists of a face-to-face interview with an examiner and is divided into 3 parts. Part 1 involves general introductory questions, such as personal interests, work, studies, or hobbies. Part 2 requires candidates to speak on a specific topic for 2 minutes. They are given 1 minute to prepare their response and can make notes if desired. Part 3 involves a more in-depth discussion related to the topic in Part 2, exploring abstract ideas, expressing opinions, and engaging in a dialogue with the examiner. Scoring system: the exam uses a 9-band scoring system to evaluate a candidate's English language proficiency. Each section, as well as the overall score, is awarded a band score ranging from 0 to 9. The bands correspond to different levels of competence, with Band 9 representing an expert user and Band 1 indicating a non-user. The scores are reported in half-band increments to provide a detailed assessment. Test results and validity: candidates receive their IELTS test results approximately 13 days after the test date. Test takers are issued a test report form containing their scores for each section and an overall band score. The scores are valid for 2 years from the date of the test. Candidates can request up to 5 additional TRFs to be sent directly to institutions or organizations of their choice during the registration process or within 2 years of the test date. Preparation tips: to achieve success in the exam, candidates should engage in thorough preparation. Some helpful tips include familiarizing oneself with the test format, practicing with sample questions, developing time management skills, improving vocabulary and grammar, and seeking guidance from reputable preparation. Resources: candidates may also benefit from enrolling in exam preparation courses or working with a qualified tutor to receive personalized feedback and guidance. differences between IELTS Academic and IELTS General Training. While both academic and general training share the same listening and speaking modules, there are some notable differences in the reading and writing modules. In the academic module, the reading section includes texts of a more academic nature, such as articles from journals and research papers. The writing tasks require candidates to analyze and interpret graphical data and write in a formal, academic style. On the other hand, the general training module focuses on texts that are more practical and relevant to everyday life, such as newspaper articles and advertisements. The writing tasks in the general training module assess candidates' ability to write in a more general and personal style, such as letters or expressing opinions on everyday topics. Test day experience. On the day of the test, candidates are required to bring their identification document, usually a passport, the same one used during registration. It is important to arrive at the test center well in advance to complete the necessary check-in procedures. During the test, candidates will be provided with all the necessary materials, including question booklets, answer sheets, and listening audio devices. It is crucial to carefully read and follow the instructions provided for each section of the exam. The speaking module is usually scheduled separately from the other sections and may take place on a different day, either before or after the written test. Tips for each module. Listening module. It is essential to practice active listening skills by exposing oneself to a variety of English accents through podcasts, movies, and TV shows, developing note-taking strategies, familiarizing oneself with different question types, and practicing under timed conditions can significantly improve performance in this module. Reading module. Building reading speed and comprehension can be achieved through extensive reading of English texts, such as newspapers, magazines, and academic articles. Practicing different question types and learning effective skimming and scanning techniques will help manage time efficiently. Writing module. Developing strong writing skills requires practice in organizing ideas, structuring essays, and using appropriate vocabulary and grammar. Candidates should familiarize themselves with the specific requirements of each task and practice writing within the given time limits. Seeking feedback from tutors or taking advantage of writing correction services can also be beneficial. Speaking module. Enhancing speaking skills involves practicing speaking English regularly, either through conversations with native or fluent speakers or by participating in English language clubs. Candidates can also audio or videotape themselves speaking and analyze their performance to identify areas for improvement. Becoming comfortable discussing a wide range of topics and expressing opinions fluently will contribute to success in this module. Preparation resources. There are various resources available to help candidates prepare for the exam. Official practice materials, including sample test questions and practice tests, can be obtained from the official website. Additionally, numerous online platforms offer free or paid preparation courses, tutorials, and practice materials. These resources provide candidates with the opportunity to become familiar with the exam format, practice under timed conditions, and receive feedback on their performance. Importance of test preparation. Engaging in thorough test preparation is crucial for achieving a desirable score in the exam. Adequate preparation helps candidates become familiar with the test format, gain confidence in their language abilities, and improve their performance in each module. It is recommended to start preparing well in advance, allowing sufficient time to identify weak areas and focus on targeted improvement. Recognizing test strategies. Becoming familiar with the test strategies specific to each module is essential. These strategies include understanding the question requirements, managing time effectively, and utilizing techniques such as skimming, scanning, and paraphrasing. Developing these strategies through practice and understanding the marking criteria can significantly impact performance and overall scores. Retaking the exam. In the event that a candidate does not achieve their desired score, they can choose to retake the exam. There is no limit to the number of times a candidate can take the test, and the scores from the most recent test attempt are considered valid. Candidates should analyze their previous test performance, identify areas for improvement, and utilize additional preparation resources to enhance their chances of success in subsequent attempts.